Hi! In front of me is TCL 306 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Then install this completely free app from this developer, DevCheck Hardware and System Info. Then tap on Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your TCL's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!